Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to share campaigns with your team members. So you're going to go into the three dots on the right side. You're going to click on share, and then you're going to see who are the users that have access. And then you're going to see the general access. First of all, give to the users that you want to have access the permissions. So as you see, we have the option to select teams or to choose individuals. To create teams, feel free to watch the other video that explains how to create teams in your environment. So for example, I want to give permissions to the RevOps to see this campaign. I will click it, and then I will give permission if it's an admin, editor, or only a viewer. I will keep it as a viewer, and I will click share. After that, you can see who has access in the teams, who has access in the users. You can change the different permissions they have. Once you finish giving permissions to the users with access and also the teams with access, you will go to the general access and change to the restricted one. This will make the campaign being restricted, and only the people with the access will be able to see it. And this is how you share permissions to your users or teams. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.